What's up everyone, and welcome back to today's video. In this one I'm coming to you with a whole video, and we are going to be discussing about lashes. Yes, you guys, I do have a few styles here that I picked from Kiss, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my most used and loved pairs of lashes. So let's get started. If you're interested, then keep on watching. Now the first one, if not the most used one on this channel, I don't know what it is, but yeah, this one is from their Looks So Natural collection, and it is in the style Flit, which is of course this one right here. Now you guys have seen me use this. It's not new to my channel. I have of course used this one many times, and I just love how my eyes looks when I have these ones on. Absolutely beautiful, natural, and you know, I love my eye shape when I have these ones on. So yeah, that's the face style there, and they do have glue already included in here. Usually I don't really use the glue that comes, you know, with these lashes. I have my own, and one of them is of course this one here. Again, is from Kiss. This one here. Now that's one of the glue that I use. Other than this, I do have the other one from Adele, which are these ones here. So those are the ones that I usually go for. But yeah, anyway, so this style, you guys, looks absolutely amazing, very natural to the eyes, and it says here revolutionary tapered end technology feels like your own lashes. That I agree. They definitely feel like your own lashes. When you have them on, it doesn't feel like you're wearing any. So that is amazing. And another thing I love about these lashes is that when you have them on, of course, your eye makeup still shows, because I have used some lashes before, you know, just you cannot see your makeup. That's the end of it. All you can see is lashes. But with these ones here, of course, you know, you see your eye makeup, and of course the beautiful natural finished lashes. So that is amazing. Again, the style is Flit, very natural. It actually says here also light and soft as a feather. Oh yes, that is that. So yeah, and you guys know me, when I love something, I don't just buy one. Usually I double, and that's what we did today. So I do have double actually. Now I have two of them right here, the same style, because I mean, if you use them all the time, why not you know, back up. So yeah, and just to be completely honest, I don't really wear lashes every day, but when I do, the ones that I'm showing you guys are the most that I usually go for, except for one, because one is new. I'm about to try them. But yeah, so that's the first style. Let's move on to the next one. Now the next one, it's also from the same collection, Looks So Natural, and this one's in the style Iconic. Again, I have used these before, so they look like this. So that's them right there. And one thing again I love about this, or the only difference between this one and of course the Flit one, is that with the Flit one, it kind of gives you a little bit of volume, a little bit of length as well. But with this one here, it's almost like completely natural, and you don't get as much you know, volume compared to the first pair that I showed you. But still, this one is very natural. So if you are somebody who wants like almost like 100%, like 110% you know, natural lashes, then between the two, probably then the Iconic one will be that kind of style to give a try. Because as you can see side by side over here, how they look like, we have this pair here, which is of course gives you a little bit of more, you know, more volume there compared to this one. But that's how they look like side by side. So yeah, but they're both still on the natural as possible side that they can get. So yeah, and they both of course include glue is included. So that is that is the of course some of the lashes that I have been, you know, loving and using. Now the next pair is again from Kiss. Oh, they're all from Kiss. What am I saying? The next pair is again they're all from Kiss. So the next pair is of course their 3D volume lash. Now this one is triple push-up collection, from their triple push-up collection. They are called Bustier, if that's how you pronounce it. Now if you are somebody who loves volume, then these ones will be definitely the one to give a try. As you can see here, they are 3D, and the volume on this one is just like up there, which is amazing, because it means that they lift your baby lashes, they make them like you know, like, hi, I'm here, I've arrived to the party. Did somebody say party is happening? I'm here. So that's the kind of vibe we get with this one here. It's just like beautiful, like so big on the eyes. So if you like to have your eyes like pop, then yeah, this style would definitely be that kind of style. Now I have used these ones before, but not as much as I have used the, you know, the Look So Natural, you know, collection. So yeah, but still they're not too bad. That's why I went ahead and bought them again, because I like the way my eyes looks when I have them. Sometimes I love, you know, to have my lashes more on the natural side, and when I do, then of course I reach for my Look So Natural, you know, styles. But if I want something to be like, hey, today I want to be a little bit extra with my lashes, then the style I'll go for is of course from the triple push-up collection, which are these ones here that gives you more volume. Yeah, so that is that. Of course you can even see the picture of the lady over there. Look at that. And the last pair I have here is from Blooming Lash, and it is in the style Peon, which looks like this. So that is the style right there. That's how they look like. You can see like that. Again, they look like they're on the natural side. And here they say multi-angle technology. Alright, so this one I have never tried them, so it's going to be my first time trying this, and I will definitely give it a try, test them out and see how they are going to look on my eyes. Because when it comes to lashes, you guys, I'm always picky. I usually go for the one that I know they will work for my eyes. So when I was buying this one, I wasn't really sure whether it's going to suit my eye shape, and also I just wasn't sure whether I'm going to like them, because I tend to stick to things that I already know. When I buy things, I'm like, okay, I have used this product before, I love how it looks on me, so I'm going to buy it again. So when it comes to buying new things, like I always ask myself twice, am I going to like this one? Okay, just buy it and give it a try. So yeah, I'll definitely give it a try, and you know, I can probably try it on camera with you guys so you can see on how they look like. But yeah, and if you compare these ones and of course the one that I have already showed you, they are a little bit more shorter in terms of length, and also they're kind of curves a little bit up compared to the, you know, to the other ones you can see over there. So yeah, but we shall of course you know, try them and see how they, you know, how they look like on the eyes. So I think that is all the lashes that I picked, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We are almost at 2K, you guys. I cannot even believe that we are almost at 2K, and wow, it's just been amazing, just amazing. So thank you if you are subscribed to me, and thank you if you are going to hit that red button, and also ring your notification bell so that we are notified every time I upload a new exciting video. Alright, you guys, lots of love. Go have a good one. Take care, and I shall catch you all lovely people on my next one. Bye for now.